In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project from Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open your project, and send a shareable link to your collaborator so they can jump right in. Start by opening your browser and heading to Soundtrap's website. From the home page, look for the Login button, usually in the top corner. Click that to get to the sign-in options. You can log in a few different ways, but in this walkthrough, we'll use Google. Click Login with Google, then choose your Google account when prompted. If you're asked to confirm permissions or complete verification, go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Soundtrap home area. Next, navigate to the Projects section. This is where all your existing tracks and sessions live. Find the project you want to share. If you have a lot of projects, it can help to scan by name or most recent activity. When you've located the right one, open it in the studio by clicking the Studio button. Give the studio a moment to load everything, especially if your project has multiple tracks or effects. It's a good idea to make sure your latest changes are saved before you share. Inside the studio, look for the invite control at the top of the interface. Click Invite to open the sharing panel. Here you'll see two main ways to bring people into your project. You can add collaborators by entering their email address, or you can create a shareable link. For this example, we'll use the shareable link option. Generate or copy the link provided in the panel. Once it's copied to your clipboard, you can paste it into a message, email, or chat and send it to your teammate. A couple of quick tips to make this smooth. Only share the link with people you trust, because anyone with the link may be able to access and edit the project, depending on your plan and settings. If you want tighter control, consider inviting people by email instead, so access is tied to a specific account. If your collaborator has trouble opening the project, ask them to make sure they're logged into Soundtrap with the same method and email they normally use. And if a link ever stops working, open the invite panel again and copy a fresh one. That's it. You signed in, went to projects, opened your project in the studio, clicked invite, and shared the link. Now your teammate can collaborate with you in real time.